In today's world, many people in Kenya are looking for ways to earn extra income after work. Life has become more expensive, and relying on one salary is often not enough. Rent, food, transport, school fees, and unexpected expenses can quickly use up your monthly income. Because of this, many people are now thinking about how they can use their free time in the evening or during weekends to earn more money. The good news is that there are many simple and practical ways to do this, even if you are starting with very little capital. One of the most important things to understand is that earning extra income does not always require a big investment. What you need most is consistency, patience, and the willingness to learn. Many successful people in Kenya today started with small side hustles that they managed after work. Over time, these small efforts grew into stable sources of income. Some even became full-time businesses. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start earning extra money after work. With a smartphone or a laptop and internet access, you can offer services to clients online. These services include writing articles, designing posters, managing social media accounts, or even simple data entry. At first, the pay may be low, but as you gain experience and build trust with clients, your income can increase. Some people in Kenya earn between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 50,000 Kenya shillings per month through freelancing alone. The key is to choose one skill, practice it, and improve every day. Another powerful way to earn extra income is by starting a small online business. Many Kenyans are now buying and selling goods through social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. You can start by selling items such as clothes, shoes, beauty products, or phone accessories. You do not need a physical shop. You can take pictures of your products, post them online, and deliver to customers. With as little as 2,000 Kenya shillings, you can begin. Over time, as your customer base grows, your profits can increase significantly. Food businesses are also very popular in Kenya, especially in the evenings. After work, many people are tired and prefer to buy ready-made food instead of cooking. This creates a good opportunity for anyone who can prepare simple meals. You can sell items like chapati, mandazi, boiled eggs, smokies, or tea. Even a small food stand can make daily profits of between 500 Kenya shillings and 2,000 Kenya shillings. The most important thing is cleanliness, good taste, and a convenient location. Affiliate marketing is another method that is becoming popular. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You can share these links on WhatsApp groups, social media pages, or even a blog. You do not need to own the products. Your work is simply to connect buyers with sellers. Some people in Kenya are earning from 3,000 Kenya shillings to over 100,000 Kenya shillings per month through this method. It requires patience and good communication skills. Content creation is also a growing opportunity. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok allow people to share videos and earn money through advertisements and sponsorships. You can create content about business ideas, daily life, education, or entertainment. At first, it may take time to grow your audience, but if you stay consistent and provide value, you can build a strong following. Many Kenyan content creators started with simple phones and are now earning a steady income. If you own a motorbike or a car, you can also earn extra money through transport or delivery services. In the evening, there is high demand for food delivery and transport services. You can work for a few hours after your main job and still make a good income. Some riders earn between 1,000 Kenya shillings and 3,000 Kenya shillings per evening, depending on the number of trips they complete. Another simple idea is renting out items that you already own. For example, if you have an extra room, you can rent it out. If you own equipment like a camera or tools, you can lend them to others for a fee. This is a form of passive income because you earn money without working all the time. Even small assets can generate a steady income if used well. Starting a blog or a website is also a good long-term strategy. You can write about topics you understand, such as business, farming, or personal finance. As your website grows, you can earn money through advertisements and partnerships. Blogging requires patience because it takes time to build traffic, but the rewards can be very high. Some bloggers in Kenya earn over 200,000 Kenya shillings per month once their sites are fully established. Offering local services is another practical way to earn extra income. Think about the skills you already have. You can offer services like hairdressing, barbering, tutoring, or laundry. Many people are willing to pay for convenience, especially in busy urban areas. Even working a few hours in the evening can bring in extra cash. It is important to manage your time well when working a side hustle. You should not let it interfere with your main job. Plan your day so that you have enough energy for both. Start with one idea and focus on it until it begins to grow. Avoid trying too many things at once, as this can lead to confusion and slow progress. Another key factor is discipline. There will be days when you feel tired or discouraged, but success comes from consistency. Even small daily efforts can lead to big results over time. For example, saving just 200 Kenya shillings every day can add up to over 6,000 Kenya shillings in a month. If you invest that money into your side hustle, it can grow even more. You should also learn to reinvest your profits. Instead of spending all the money you earn, use some of it to expand your business. Buy more stock, improve your tools, or invest in marketing. This will help your income grow faster. Many successful entrepreneurs in Kenya follow this approach. Technology has made it easier than ever to earn extra income. With a smartphone and internet connection, you can reach customers, learn new skills, and promote your services. Take advantage of free online resources to improve yourself. The more knowledge you gain, the more opportunities you will find. It is also important to be honest and trustworthy in whatever you do. Good reputation is very valuable. Customers will return and refer others if they trust you. On the other hand, if you provide poor service or sell low-quality products, people will avoid you. Always aim to give value and treat your customers well. In conclusion, earning extra income after work in Kenya is possible for anyone who is willing to put in the effort. You do not need a lot of money to start. What matters most is your mindset, consistency, and willingness to learn. Choose a side hustle that fits your schedule and skills. Start small and grow step by step. With time, your extra income can become a strong financial support and even change your life completely.